There are many options available, from traditional clay pots to modern plastic containers. Each material offers unique benefits and challenges. Each type has its own advantages and disadvantages. Understanding these can help you make an informed decision. For example, clay pots are porous and allow for good air circulation, which is beneficial for root health. However, they can be heavy and break easily. Plastic containers are lightweight and come in various shapes and sizes, making them versatile and easy to move. They retain moisture well, but may not provide as much air circulation as clay pots. Wooden containers can be very attractive and blend well with natural surroundings. They are sturdy and can provide good insulation for plant roots, but they may rot over time if not properly treated. Self-watering containers are another great option. They help maintain consistent moisture levels, which is ideal for busy gardeners or those who live in hot climates. Hanging baskets and window boxes are also popular choices for container gardening. They can add beauty and greenery to small spaces like balconies and windowsills. When choosing a container, make sure it has drainage holes. Proper drainage is crucial to prevent waterlogging and root rot. The size of the container is also important. Larger containers can hold more soil and retain moisture longer, while smaller containers may need more frequent watering.